the big one. There you go. Now curl it in. There you go. That's good. Now pick it up. And pull your extender up. There you go. To you. There you go. Good. Alright, now swing it over here and dump it way over here. There you go. Dump it right in there. Okay, good. Very nice. Alright, now swing it all the way back there again. To your left. 4. Alright, good. Now go down and pick up some more. There you go. Now curl your bucket. There you go. Yeah, now you can pick it up. See, now it's like almost like full. There you go. Good. Now come across and dump it right where the other one was. There you go. Dump it right where the other one was. There you go. All right. Just keep repeating that process. All right, watch my tree. There you go. Okay. Oh, you extend it out? Okay. Curl. Good, good. All right, good. Now, good. Now pull your extender up. Good. Okay, now it's a little. Good, good. Now it's up. All right. Go way out there and get some more. Alright, pull your, yeah, there you go.
I can't do it.
You got it. Now a little bit. That'll help. Alright, now put it way out there with the extender. There you go. Yeah, way out there. Go out further. See how you do it. Go way out.
That's it.
No, further out. With the big one. The big one will move it out further. There you go. Curl. Curl. There you go. Alright, now pull your extender up. Reach it out further. Like lift this up higher. Lift this, yeah, there you go. And put the big one out. There you go. Yeah, now send it out. Send it out further. Way out. Like way out. There you go. Now go down. Good. You got it. Now grab that one. Good. You're down into the shale bed now.
Huh?
You're down into the shale bed.
Like the what bed?
Shale, the big rocks and
shale.
stuff, yeah.
By the time I'm done, that tree's gonna be knocked over.
I don't know, it's been hanging on. It seems to be doing fine. There you go, a little bit. That's good. Right down the back of that hole again. Okay. Now you're down. Yeah, hear that gravelly list to it? Curl a little bit more. Curl it just so you don't lose the dump, the load here. Alright. Alright, good. Now bring it, extend it back in again. There you go. Alright, good. Keep it down and now curl. Curl more. Alright. There you got some there. That's good. Working down in the hole, I trust you. that you wouldn't hit me with that.
Okay.
Alright, so it digs a little bit better without the claw on the front, but it's got the claw, you know. So if it didn't have the claw, you'd be able to curl more.
Yeah.
You know, the butt when it curls, you'd be able to get more dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're doing good though. You're doing very good. Go back in the same hole again. There you go.